Hello and welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's recipe is a side dish. It's Capsicum Sabji. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. I've taken half cup of gram flour. Just roast it till you get a nice nutty aroma, little light brown color. The gram flour is roasted. Turn off the stove and keep this aside. Take a white saucepan. To this I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the mustard seeds start splattering, add the onions. This is 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. I'm adding about 4 cloves of garlic chopped, 2 green chilies chopped. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder. Saute them for about 7 to 8 minutes. Once the onions have become transparent, I'm going to add the capsicum pieces. They've been nicely cut up. These are 2 large capsicum that I have used for this recipe. After 2 minutes, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of chili powder, and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add a little water and cook for about 8 minutes on medium flame till the vegetable is nice and tender. Reduce the flame to a low and add the roasted gram flour. Season it with a little salt. Make sure you add it a little at a time because you don't want it to become lumpy. And finally, squeeze the juice of half lemon and garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Now the capsicum sabji is ready. So there you go. It's such a simple and easy recipe. You can have it with some roti or with some rice. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.